If you are running marketing for a small team, you already know the problem. You are wearing 5 hats at once. The content calendar never stops moving, and somehow the blog post, the changelog, and the meta description all still need to sound like the same brand wrote them. So today we are getting hands-on with Copy.ai, and specifically the part of it we think matters most if you are a small business or a startup, something called Content Agent Studio. We're going to walk through how it actually works step by step, and we're also going to tell you honestly where it holds up and where you'll still need to do some of the heavy lifting yourself. So let us start with the core idea, because once you understand this, the rest of the tool makes a lot more sense. Content Agent Studio is not one single AI writer. It's a system for building several small, specialized writers, and each one is trained on the specific type of content you need repeated over and over in your brand's voice. Think changelogs, thought leadership posts, blog articles, meta descriptions, that kind of thing. And the way you build one of these agents is refreshingly simple, at least on paper. You start from the dashboard, and there's a plus icon at the bottom, which is where every new agent begins. You give it a title, something like Monthly Changelog Generator, then a short description of what it does, and then you pick a content type. And this is a nice touch. If the content type you need isn't already listed, you just type it in and it creates a new one on the spot, so you're not boxed into whatever categories the software shipped with. Now here's the part that we think actually does the real work behind the scenes, and it's worth slowing down on. Every agent is trained using 3 examples of what you consider high quality for that content type. Not a paragraph of instructions, not a style guide, just 3 real samples. So if you're building a blog writer, you'd paste in 3 blog posts you're proud of. If you're building a thought leadership agent, 3 posts that already capture how your brand thinks out loud. This is basically few-shot learning dressed up in a friendly interface, and in practice, it tends to pick up tone and structure faster than you would expect, provided your 3 examples are genuinely consistent with each other. And that brings us to something worth knowing, which is not obvious until you actually use it. For anything long form, the tool strongly prefers your examples in Markdown, because that's how it understands your heading structure, your bolding, your linking pattern. If your source content lives on a live web page and isn't already in Markdown, there's a workaround worth knowing. You copy the article text to a converter tool like Stack Edit, and it will translate the formatting into Markdown for you. It's a small extra step, but skipping it seems to be exactly why some agents come back with flatter, less structured output than expected. Once your 3 examples are in and you hit Create Content Agent, the system takes a few minutes to prepare, and then your agent shows up permanently on your homepage, ready whenever you need it. This is where the day-to-day workflow actually happens. You click Create New, and you feed it what we would call the brief. And this can be almost anything: raw release notes from your product team, a transcript from a podcast you recorded, or an existing blog post you want turned into a meta description. Then you hit Save and Generate, and your draft appears. Here's our honest read on this part. The output is genuinely usable, and it does hold the tone from your 3 examples reasonably well. But like any tool built on a handful of samples, the brief you feed it matters enormously. Copy.ai says this outright too. The more detail you put into that campaign brief, your keywords, your brand opinions, your context, the better the result. And thin briefs tend to produce thin, generic drafts. So this isn't really a one-click magic button. It's closer to a very fast first draft machine, and you still need to bring the substance. Now, once you have a draft, editing is where this tool quietly does something useful. Instead of scrapping the whole thing and starting over, you use a feature called Edit with Chat. You literally type what you want changed, add a 1-sentence introduction, tighten this paragraph, whatever it is, and it revises right there on screen. For a solo marketer or a 2-person team, this cuts out a lot of the usual back and forth you would normally have with a freelance writer or a junior copywriter. And every single one of these runs gets saved. So under each agent, you can go back and pull up any previous generation, which turns this into a kind of institutional memory for your content, even if your team is tiny or people rotate in and out. So who is this actually good for? Honestly, we think it lines up almost perfectly with small businesses and startups that produce the same handful of content types on a recurring schedule: monthly change logs, weekly blog posts, ongoing meta descriptions for SEO. If your output is repetitive by nature, this tool turns that repetition into an advantage, because the agent gets sharper the more consistent your 3 seed examples are. Overall, for a lean marketing team trying to keep a changelog, a blog, and your SEO metadata all sounding like one coherent brand, Copy.ai's Content Agent Studio is a genuinely practical piece of the puzzle. It won't replace strategy, and it won't replace a sharp editor giving final approval, but as an always-on writer that never forgets your tone and is available at 2 in the morning when the release notes finally land, it earns its place in a small team's toolkit.